In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam purchase error. If you are running into messages like transaction cannot be completed or an unexpected error when trying to buy a game, don't worry. I'll walk you through a clear set of actions that usually resolve it, along with helpful context so you know why each step matters. First, open Steam and click your profile icon at the top right. From there, head into Account Details. One of the most common blockers is a stuck or incomplete order. So let's clear that out. Go to View Purchase History. Look for any entries marked pending or incomplete. Select one and choose to cancel it. This frees up the transaction so future purchases aren't blocked by an old attempt. If you cancel something, give it a few minutes and then try again. If you see a charge in your bank that later disappears, that was likely a temporary authorization. Next, verify your payment details. Make sure your credit card number, expiration date, and security code are correct, and that the billing name and address exactly match what your bank has on file. Even small mismatches can trigger declines. Also confirm that your country and currency in Steam match your real billing location. If you've moved recently, double-check both your bank and Steam settings so they're consistent. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Steam often blocks purchases that look like they're coming from anonymous or mismatched locations. Disable any privacy routing apps and browser proxy settings, then restart Steam before trying again. If the desktop client still gives you trouble, try completing the purchase on the official Steam website in a regular web browser. Sign in, add the item to your cart, and attempt checkout there. If it fails, try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser to rule out a local glitch. If your card continues to be declined, switch to an alternative payment method. PayPal is a good option because it can handle the bank verification on its side. And Steam Wallet funds are very reliable. You can test with a small wallet top-up first. Then complete the full purchase from your wallet balance. Finally, if you continue to see an unexpected error, contact Steam support. Submit a support ticket describing what you've tried. Include the exact error text and reference any pending orders you canceled. Avoid sharing full card numbers or any sensitive information in your message. While you wait, check Steam's support pages for common error explanations related to your region or bank. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back to buying games without a hitch. Thanks for watching.